So our next game is red flags. We're going to give you three hypothetical situations from which two things are going good and one thing is not good, which is the red flag. We've adapted these situations for Skin Yoga and yourself. And you have to assume that these statements are true and then select a situation you would rather be in. So situation one, Skin Yoga's products are gaining immense popularity in international markets. Skin Yoga has secured partnerships with major retailers to expand distribution channels globally. But recently, a lot of customers have reported delays in receiving their orders, leading to dissatisfaction and negative reviews. Situation two, Skin Yoga has established partnerships with renowned skincare experts and influencers for product endorsements and collaboration. You have been invited to speak at prestigious beauty and wellness conferences to share Skin Yoga's success story. But in your internal data analysis reveals declining customer retention rates and a lack of brand loyalty, indicating potential issues with product satisfaction and customer experience. And the last situation, Skin Yoga has won multiple awards for its innovative formulation and effective skincare products. Skin Yoga has successfully raised substantial funding from investors to fuel the brand's expansion plans. But there are a lot of internal disputes amongst you and your sisters affecting decision-making processes and potentially hindering future growth opportunities. So these are your three situations. And you have to guess which one you would rather be in.
So this, the second one, the brand declining customer retention is for Skin Yoga or overall industry?
Skin Yoga.
Okay. So yeah, I've already been in number 3. I think, but I would rather be in number 1.
Okay. Yeah. So that's the products gain popularity.
Yeah, but we're not able to fulfill the orders.
Yeah,
that's fine. That's fine. I think out of the 3 really horrible options that you think, the first one is something I'd rather be in.
Okay.
So it's not about the product didn't do well or we had some formulation. It's just that
it's a logistics issue.
Yeah. It's a logistics issue. Yeah. So that can be solved.
Something is short.
I think it's a very good place to be in.
Yeah. Fair. So yeah, your decision, I guess, was more to do with like the red flag that you can deal with versus the green.
Yeah.
I think it also comes from the fact that your entire mindset towards your business is building long-term CLTV, right? Like once your customer's with you, they're with you.
Yes.
So like one bad delay and that, like for example, this brand comes up on the podcast a lot, but there's this t-shirt brand called the March Tea.
Okay.
And it's been one of my favorite brands for the longest time. I love the way they do things.
Okay.
And recently, on March 5th, I ordered something from them. They said it'll take 14 days to come.
Okay.
And on 22nd, they emailed me saying that, hey, there's a delay. And I just want to think, no problem. Because I don't care.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I love the brand so much. Like, take 10 more days to send it. And I got it yesterday.
Okay.
And even then, I was so excited. I have like a bunch of stuff from them. But even then, I was like, every time I get something, I'm so excited to open it. So I think it's kind of like similar with you. Like, take it. Your customer will be like, one delay doesn't.
Yeah.
But there are negative reviews, so it matters to some people.
There are. I mean, even till date, like women get really pissed off because their cream did not reach them on time, even till date.
Yeah, that's true. Because for example, like I can wear my t-shirt 10 days later. Like, I can't not put cream for 10 days. Like,
I'm sure you're not running on the gas. Yeah, it's not a food. But still, like, it's service. Now you need to deliver. But if that's the situation it is, I mean, what we do is sometimes we make it free or next we give them some coupon code that they can use and, feel better about it. And obviously we apologize.
Yeah.
We don't say that, come on, this is not the end of your work.
Even though you really want to.
Yeah, like I'm like, okay, but like we're still very grateful that you've given your hard-earned money to our brand. And, we understand. And then we go back to our team and say that, look, it can't be like this. And then we deal with our logistics partner and say that, guys, like really, what is this? But there's so much load on the Indian e-com, industry that these people are not able to fulfill on.
Yes.
Yeah.
In fact, I think the biggest difference with my recent experience was that I've had orders delayed in the past. Generally, there are 2 ways that it happens. One is just delayed and you have no clue it's delayed. You're expecting it to come today, you're busy in your life, you don't realize tomorrow you wake up, you're like, oh yeah, that never came, and then you get angry.
Yes.
The second thing is you get an email from a ship rocket or from a delivery saying, looks like your order is
Yes.
delayed.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Uh-oh.
So again, you get angry. Why is my order delayed?
Yeah.
In the case of March, someone from their marketing team or the
Yes.
CRM team
Yeah.
emailed me
Wow.
saying, "Hey, Anuj, this is what's happening. It's a little delayed, but we expected to reach by this." I'm like, "That's fine."
That's
Because-
something that I should probably do. You know, I've learned something new today.
It's that makes all the difference because
Yes.
one, now you're talking to a human, not a bloody email from
Yes.
from some weird backend
Yeah.
system.
Yeah.
Um,
And they own their, fault. And
Yeah.
they say
yeah,
that,
exactly.
okay,
It's
I feel like it's
upfront.
communication
It's
for
all
sure.
yeah.
Because if it's not, like, I would get pissed off.
And the thing in India is, the biggest fear that any of us have
It's scam.
is not like, scams, but also you don't want to get stuck talking to because you're so used to
Customer
human
care.
interaction.
Yeah.
You don't a bot exactly. You don't want to be stuck talking to the bot or chat with me
Yeah.
and tell me your problem. I don't want to chat.
Yeah,
with you.
please don't
Can I
come,
call
yeah,
someone and
exactly.
speak to that?
Yeah.
Like that's the mindset that
Because
because
they never, like, get it. Like,
Just go round
tech
it up.
doesn't work.
Yeah,
The
it
tech doesn't work. Like in the UK,
Yeah.
chatbot, you go put this,
Yeah.
that. In half an hour, you get an email saying, "Okay, this is what's happening. Your ticket has been raised. This, that." Here, you chat and everything, and then you're stuck in some loop on the chat.
I feel like every problem also people face is so different from what they've, like, registered in their log that it's like, okay, it's not going to help.
Yeah.
Like recently, so I called some customer care and they were like, "Oh, put your account number or whatever." Every time I put my account number, they cut the call. They're like, "We can't help you, email us." I was like, "Are you kidding?" So then I said, "I don't know my customer, like, whatever account number, so I can speak to a human." And then I was like, "What is this?" Like, every time
Like,
they
no,
would
this is not
transfer
in my hand.
Yeah.
Best is like, I will take your complaint. I will write a number.
And then they're like so sweet, like on customer, they're trained like that. It's gonna be like, "I'm so sorry, ma'am," this, that. And I was like,
No, you're
I
lucky.
don't go-
You're
like-
lucky. They when I speak, sometimes they're not even sorry. They're like,
Oh, really? Like, okay, my recent experience, it's like the people were very nice, but I didn't get to them on the end. Like, it was like so annoying. But yeah.
Human interaction is so necessary.